T-connectors provide option of connecting trailer's wiring system into vehicle's wiring system. Pre-wired to provide right turn, left turn, tail light, and on some models, the backup function. The two-piece modular system allows for a more versatile installation as well as a simple 4-wire flat replacement option if the unit ever becomes damaged. Utilizes OEM connectors for exact fit and enhanced weatherproofing. Includes dust cover and grease packet to prevent corrosion, along with step-by-step instructions for easy installation. As the #1 brand in towing electrical products, Hopkins Towing Solutions has provided consumers with innovation, durability, and performance for over 20 years. With Hopkins T-Connectors, you won't have to cut into your vehicle's wiring system. This is quicker and easier than cutting and splicing, and will keep the integrity of your vehicle's wiring system intact. Simply plug in this Hopkins plug-in simple vehicle wiring kit featuring exact OEM matching connectors for a perfect weather-tight fit. This kit includes the accessories needed to get you towing faster. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly. Fit perfectly on my 1996 K1500 truck. No splicing of wires, just plug and play.